Hello, watchers signals show a good entry point. Let's use WAB as of May 19, 2026 to illustrate that. We have maximum daily chart open here, and for me, I think it depends on the type of swing trading strategy you are using to buy and sell stocks. For the strategy that I'm using, I just like to focus on the support line passing by the higher low of the chart. I like to determine which one is the lowest support line that the chart is has been using to pull back to rest and start climbing up again. I like to use that as my entry point. And once I determine that, I just wait until the chart is done climbing up and start going down and go all the way down to that support line. So, and the key for that to work well is to get to know which support line you are going to buy at. So when we are looking at WAB, we have multiple support lines that are traced, and I color code 2 of them, and I pick those to be the one that is going to fall back to most likely and use as the lowest point is going to fall back to, and then start climbing up again. This one is, I didn't color it because it's supporting the upside wall of the mountain, is climbing. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years long. So therefore it's long enough to be the next support line. It has been using it for a while now, and I have multiple touch points. We do have this one that is a possibility because it's not too far from the top one. It's a lot longer, but I think it's safe for us to buy here because we have those two, and I'm knowing for sure which one is going to continue to be the value line or that support line that I like to buy at. I'll keep both. If it pull back to this area, I will buy some shares or buy the share that I can afford to buy. And if it pull back to here, I might buy some more as well if I choose to buy some more. That way I won't target this support line as entry point, and if it does not go there, miss my entry point if I don't buy at all. So that is, how I determine. I use the chart and pretty much use support line as the signals for my entry point. I like to keep it simple, not too overwhelming, and to be able to swing trade or use swing trading strategy to buy and sell stock. When we are looking at WAB, I purchased it in 2024 and held on to it for a short period of time and sold it and repeated multiple times using short uptrend line swing trading strategy, and bought it most likely around this support line that is claiming, and this one as well, especially this one, but again short support line because these purchases here, arrows facing upward are where I purchased, arrows facing downward are where I sold. So I purchased it along this support line here that I'm going to turn back into gray, the default color, and that is a short, few months long support line that pretty much support one side of the swing, and I purchased and sold multiple times there, and I purchased it again, and then it pulled back close to this support line, and I got stuck in it until it went up again, reached all-time highest price, and I sold it. That at the beginning of 2025, and I have now purchased it again because I'm willing to see it lower. So that is how I do my chart analysis. This support line is used pull back to it and start going up again. But it's about 2 or 3 years, not quite 3 years here, but 2 years long. And I think it's a little bit short to be the valley line. It's supporting the mountain is climbing, the upside wall of the mountain is climbing, but chances are it could well pull back below this line. So therefore, I don't want to buy around this line and get stuck in it. I repeat that, on a short period of time here. So using long Uptrend and swing trading strategy, I like to find the support line that I can consider the valley line, because it's passing by the higher lows, the bottom of the chart, and choose that support line to be where I'm comfortable buying the price along that support line, that I'm comfortable paying for it, and wait until it comes there for me to buy some shares. And based on the swing trading strategy you use, what are signals that do you consider as good for you, as a good entry for you? And when it comes to WAB, it's not the time for me to buy it yet, because it's nowhere near where I want to buy. So far, it's still close to the mountain. The top of the mountain is climbing. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C. YouTube channel, and ninasoap.com, our blog. On our channel and our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could be over time another way to generate income. Just start small and grow your account from there. And as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I just swing trade in our personal account, and I like to share my knowledge, my skills, or what is working for me, or what is not working for me here with you. If you can find few tips, so that you can find few tips that you find useful to improve and use in your own financial success journey. So thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading. For more videos in this series, please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step using long Uptrend lines in the description of this video. Thank you for your time.